decided to apply for the Make Room for Life competition for a couple of reasons. The first one was that I really wanted to learn more about design and what the interior design team does in the store. And of course I wanted to win a beautiful new makeover. I was very excited when I found out that I won. I'm very grateful that I did. My living situation before was that I had pretty basic furniture in my living room. I didn't have enough seating for friends when they would come over. I didn't have any storage solution. The lighting was very poor in here too. I really just wanted to maximize the space, but I didn't really know how. So I really asked the design team to just make it warm and cozy and make it feel more homey for me.
She wanted lots of seating, so we went with the sofa, which was a good base to bring in a pop of color that she was interested in, which is navy. So that included like light and dark and finding a balance between the light and dark of the sofa and the coffee table, for example, and the artwork. To me, that means pulling together a solution that's both functional but also very personal to the customer.
My favorite part of the makeover process was deciding with Brianne on what products to pick because I wanted to have a modern look, but I was told that I have a little hint of traditional in my side, so it was neat to learn that about myself.
We kind of pulled from the rug this geometric pattern that's kind of flowing. It's in the curtains, and then flowing from that idea, we created this sort of symmetrical, asymmetrical design of Besto.
Okay, go!
It's so creative and different. I would have never thought that a corner fireplace could look so cool and fun. And it was pretty amazing to watch their hard work and passion and just really see their vision come to life. It was very inspiring.
At the end of the day, you want them to really envision themselves in the space. It's like a puzzle. How can I make this the best possible space for them? And maybe something that they wouldn't have imagined.
It looks so much better and cleaner and more modern. I'm really excited to just come home and open up my door and be like, wow, this is my new home. I'm just ready for that feeling and I'm so happy.
Make room for life!